Note mode is an incredibly powerful but simple to use feature. And the great thing is you don't even need to understand music theory to play fluently on the pads. Force is going to lock everything to the same key and scale as your project so that everything you play sounds musical. So I've loaded Hypesynth and we can perform it using the pads here. Each note is a different pad, and the octaves are represented by the same colors here. To transpose the whole pad bank, you can press Shift and the 2 octave up or down buttons here. The most powerful feature can be accessed by holding Note mode, where you can access scale, chord, and progressions modes. These help you focus on the music and not worry about the theory. If you hold Shift and Note mode, you can set it up to be in the right scale, the right key for your song. There's loads of different ones to choose from. So when set up right, you can't really hit a wrong pad, you just need to focus on playing the most musical and creative thing that you can. Now I've just selected another instance of Hypesynth, and I'm just going to set it up into progressions mode, which is a really easy way to play chords with one finger. So I'm just going to launch the whole scene, and I'm not sure which chords to play, so I'm just going to play what feels right.